If you are someone who gives their all, right, you care about the person, you love them deeply, you genuinely want good things to happen with them, or you have their best interest, and even though your intentions are pure, right, even though you genuinely want to be with that person and you genuinely do your best to be with them, right, you give your all in that relationship and you still end up being hurt the most, then this video is for you. First thing first, you need to move on and listen to me. And I know you will say,
I loved him. I genuinely cared for him, right? I wanted to be with him.
He never wanted to be with you. You loved him, he never loved you. You cared for him, he never loved you. And that is the truth which you need to accept. And remember, people come and go. And see, I heard this somewhere that agar koi tumhare life se, like suddenly they ghost you or they abandon you, right? You will feel sad, true. Like, मतलब उनके जाने का दुख मनाओ, उनके जाने का शोक मत मनाओ. Don't waste your energy, or like it's like don't waste your entire life on someone who never care for you. उसको कुछ फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा अगर तुम जिंदगी भर उसके लिए रोते रहो, अगर तुम जिंदगी भर प्रे करते रहो कि मुझे वो वापस दे दो, मेरे लाइफ में वो वापस आ जाए, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. एंड लुक, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस के वजह से वी एंड अप बीइंग हर्ट द मोस्ट. And this is, in my case, that is the thing. Because see, when I meet someone, right, and मेरी अगर सामने वाले से vibe match होती है, right, like let's say मेरी vibe किसी बंदे से match हुई, like he likes the same thing which I like, हम दोनों के dislikes भी like almost same है, हम दोनों का like the way we talk, our sense of humor is same, right. And then I feel good that ये finally मेरी vibe किसी से तो match हुई, and then I start making assumption about that person. कि मेरे दिमाग में वो सारी चीजें चलने लगती है कि ओ वो बंदा ऐसा होगा, वो बंदा वैसा होगा, एंड द मोमेंट वो बंदा वैसा नहीं निकलता है, आई फील बैड, आई फील सैड, आई फील हॉरिबल, बिकॉज वो वैसा क्यों नहीं निकला. दैट इज माई क्वेश्चन. एंड आई नो this is wrong, and this is why I want to tell you that ki never assume. Like if you want to save yourself from feeling hurt, never assume things from anyone. चाहे तुम्हारी वाइब उससे कितना ही मैच हो, चाहे वो टेक्स्ट पे कितना ही पोलाइटली तुमसे बात करे, या चाहे वो आमने सामने भी तुमसे कितना अच्छे से बात करे, उसके बारे में चीजें अज्यूम मत करो. He is a different person, and you are a different person. Just and look, you can never control anyone, and this is the truth. एंड जो तुम उसके बारे में सोचते हो ना कि हम लाइक वो बंदा ऐसा होगा तो फिर हम ऐसे करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे, वो सब गलत है. लाइक स्टॉप डूइंग दैट, बिकॉज इट विल ओनली हर्ट यू एंड इट विल ओनली मेक यू फील हॉरिबल द मोमेंट वो वैसा नहीं निकलता है. एंड इट्स नॉट हिज फॉल्ट एंड इट्स नॉट योर फॉल्ट. ये तुम्हारे अजम्पशन, ये जो तुम्हारी आदत है टू अज्यूम, उसकी गलती है. बिकॉज लुक, he is a whole different person with feelings, with emotions, with his own principle, his own morals, right? Just because तुम्हारी vibe match होती है, that doesn't mean कि वो बंदा वैसे ही निकलेगा जैसा तुम चाहते हो कि वो निकले. So stop doing that if you want to save yourself from being hurt. I did this for my entire life. And later on, I used to feel so horrible. I used to feel so sad. But now the moment I stopped assuming, right? The moment I stopped assuming anything about anyone, expecting anything from anyone, things started working out for me. And now I don't feel that horrible the moment the other people, they stop talking to me, or the moment we don't talk to each other. I don't feel that sad, I don't feel that horrible anymore. And listen to this, just because now you think your world is going to end, that doesn't mean that the world is going to end. It's not. Life goes on no matter how much pain you're in. Just because you are so sad right now, that doesn't mean that the time is going to stop. It will give you time to heal, and after you heal, then the world will, and then the earth will start revolving again, time will start again. Like this thing is never going to happen, and this is the truth. And look, just because तुम्हारा किसी एक के साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ, like let's say किसी के साथ तुम्हारा वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, that doesn't mean कि तुम्हारा किसी के साथ भी वर्कआउट नहीं होगा. There must be a reason, right? कि क्यों तुम्हारा उस सामने वाले बंदे के साथ वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ. Maybe it's your fault, maybe it's his fault. And you know what you need to do? You need to put all that energy into yourself. You need to stop being desperate. Like literally stop being desperate. Stop looking for a boyfriend in every guy that you meet, because it gives the energy that you are so desperate for a boyfriend. And let me ask you one thing. क्या तुम्हें रिलेशनशिप में इसलिए रहना है because you want to experience what a relationship is, or like you are really curious about it, about relationship, and you really want to be in a relationship, or it's because तुम्हारे सारे friends relationship में है and इसलिए तुम्हें भी ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हें भी relationship में होना चाहिए. If your answer is the second one, then honey, you are following the crowd. Like it's, you want something जो तुम्हें चाहिए भी नहीं. Deep down, you don't care about being in a relationship. You just want because of peer pressure. Not like तुम मार्केट में जा रहे हो, तुम्हें कोई चीज पसंद आई, तुमने वो चीज खरीदी and तुम घर आ गए and then over, yeah, we are done. No, it's not. And the second important thing is never, and I repeat, never use anyone just to get over your past relationship or your ex. Like never do that to anyone, because it will hurt that person and it will also end up hurting you. So don't do that. If you think कि तुम अभी ready नहीं हो, if you think कि तुम अभी ready नहीं हो move on होने के लिए, या तुम अभी उतना अच्छी तरह से move on नहीं हुए हो, and you still miss your ex, you still miss your old partner, then don't go and don't be in a relationship with someone new. And don't hurt them, don't hurt their feelings. Don't be the kind of a person who hurted you, who traumatized you. And see, if you really are not ready to be in relationship again, take your time. No one is forcing you. I am not forcing you. No one in this entire world is going to force you to be in a relationship. Take as much time that you want to heal, to feel confident again. And if you, and look, the moment you will really be ready, तुम्हें समझ जाएगा, तुम्हें खुद को ही समझ जाएगा कि हाँ, कि like I am ready to date again, I am ready to be, or like to commit, I am ready to commit. See, this person traumatized you, right? And if you use another one just to get over the past one, then you are going to traumatize that person as well, right? And then that person will maybe or maybe not traumatize someone else too. If you cannot bring anything good in anybody's life, then don't bring anything bad in anyone's life. And the third most important thing is self-respect. And I know कि it's hard to walk away from relationships because वो तुम्हारे एक comfort zone बन जाते हैं. And I heard this quote somewhere कि like the person who hurted you most, like you crave for their comfort more. In my case, right? This person, he hurted me, right? And the moment, and then we stopped talking, right? So the moment things didn't work out for me, or like the moment I was in some trouble, I wanted him to come comfort me. I wanted him to come and tell me that it's okay, when he is the one who hurted me the most. लेकिन this is where self-respect comes in. Because look, जहाँ पे तुम्हारी respect नहीं है, वहां पे तुम्हें नहीं रहना चाहिए, पीरियड. चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप कितना ही अच्छा हो, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप में तुम्हारे कितने मेमोरीज हो, चाहे तुम कितने सालों से साथ हो, अगर वो बंदा तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता है, देन ही डजंट डिजर्व यू. The moment you prioritize yourself, the moment you prioritize your respect, your dignity over being with someone who doesn't even give a f about your self respect, about your feelings, then you need to walk away, because he don't deserve you, or maybe she don't deserve you. If you want to move on, focus on your health, or like start focusing on your studies, or like do something productive, like eat healthy, like drink water, like do something, instead of crying all day for someone who doesn't even think about you anymore. So I guess that is it for today's video, and I really wish that you all move on from whoever that hurted you. And yeah, so that is it for today's video, and if you like my video, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet next time. Bye bye.